Good afternoon. This is June the 26th, 2014 CNFT afternoon wrap-up of our Emini trade recommendations made at 6:45 this morning. First trade we saw this morning was a sell basically at 50 plus or minus 1. You're actually able to execute that sell at 51 off of our prescribed setup. Our second sell zone was 54 to 56, which we have not reached during the day. And our first buy was 40 to 42, and our second buy was 35 to 37, and we did hit our second buy zone with a low of 36 and a quarter. So this is a V-top situation. We're in the idea was to be a seller first this morning to test support, and we thought that could have been at 45, possibly depending on the morning news, but was probably at 35 to 40. So the idea was to be a seller. The level was at 50 plus or minus 1. And we got a rally up into that area. We got deceleration denoted by that pink square. And when you broke these two skinny bars low, you were short at 51. And the market did trade down to 36 and a quarter. So you had a shot at 14 plus points if you had exited at 37, which was the top of our buy zone. And that was actually doable. You said, well, what happened to your 40 to 42 buy, which is where you wanted to have it? You can see right here that we don't get any retracement. Every bar produces a lower high, so there is not a buy in the 40 to 42 area. But when you take out this bar's high, and our idea is to be a buyer at 35, 37, that was our level, you buy stop in the market and you're long at 38.50. So on the first trade, you had a shot at 3 points, which is a pretty standard exit in quiet markets to as much as 14. On this trade, you're long at 38.50. The market trades to 43.25, and that gave you a shot at our normal 3 points to 4. The green line generates a trade that we call the mean green trade. It's a trade we take all day long. If the market has moved lower, we want to sell the first time we get to the mean green line, a tick inside of it. So you're short at 43.25, and the market trades down to a low of 39, and your exit could have been as low as 39 to as high as 41. So you made yourself 2 to 3 points on that particular trade. Market gets pretty choppy. There are plenty more trades here during the day. They just don't go very far. Here's a trade off our prescribed methodology. There's a trade. And once we've made our business plan, we like to really head to the sidelines. So in this particular situation, if you've taken your minimum expectations, and we do recommend a trading target of at least 3 points, you would have been up 8 points on the minimum expectation, and 14 plus 4 is 18 plus 3 to 21 for a really, really big day. So you had a shot at $400 to 1,050. Now we don't expect you to make the 1,050. That would be beyond lucky. But because our number 2 buy zone was at 35 to 37, you actually did have a chance to exit this trade at 14 and plus 14, which is a hell of a trade. That's a good trade. We do this every day. We're on the air live at 6:45 Central, 7:45 Eastern. If you'd like to see how we do it, please visit our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site, you'll get information on our software, on our educational packages, and our trading methodology. We'd like you to come in and see what we're doing, so we're also offering you 5 free days in our trading room where you'll get to see how we handle the markets live, real time, and how we make adjustments throughout the day. You may contact us at info@cnfuturestrading.com via email, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5 free days, and until then, I wish you good trading.